Guys, welcome back to One True Legend. Today we are back on the drone flight. As you can see, it looks like we're in a flight upstairs, but we are actually in Dollis Hill in London Borough of Brent in North West London. So without further ado, let's take off. Got to be careful we don't hit any trees, obstacles, lampposts in the way. So we're up now, flying from the top of this bridge. Nice place to take off. We're near a railway bridge, look at that. Just gonna get a tour of Dollis Hill and see what it's like in this area. So I've got my mini free battery charger. I just done a drone flight in Tower Hamlets in Stepney Green, and now I'm here. I come up to North West London, did a drone flight. So we're just gonna go up to the 300 feet range, 400 feet. Then we're gonna do a 360 photo, and maybe the next drone flight, I'm charging my mini 4 battery again, and I'm probably gonna do drone flight somewhere else near this area. So it's a really nice hilly area. So yeah, I've done a drone flight near here in Neasden, or some time ago. And I've done a few drone flights in this borough, Brent. Done one in. The drone's fighting a little bit hard. Done a drone flight in Wembley. Done a drone flight in Neasden, like what you saw. And yeah, we're just gonna go down to the area. Make sure. Just go up to this area. Nice little area here in North West London. Gladstone Park. Little neighbourhood in this area, slice of neighbourhood. Amazing shot. What we'll do is just go up to this area down here. We're near a place called Brent Cross, which is where I did a drone flight before as well. Brent Cross is up there. I've actually done 2 drone flights in that area. Actually, I've done 3 drone flights in that area. I went to Hendon and I did 2 drone flights from that area. So looks like there's a little bus garage right over here. Let's go up towards the bus garage. Look at that. So you can't go as far because then the drone's going to go too far then. Let's got a fast train in the back. So anyway, what we'll do, start heading back now. Look at that nice shot, look at that. You can tell all the trees have started to bloom. Amazing. Insane. Just go back towards this area down there. Go towards this area down here. We do go towards the other side as well. Look at that, nice. Literally a railway is going through this bridge. I'm not sure what railway that is. Look at that shine in the far end of the neighbourhood. So that's the neighbourhood of Dollis Hill. What we're going to do, we're going to go to the other side of Dollis Hill in a minute. Wind's blowing a little too hard. Oh, it's windy, man. That's the neighbourhood area. So, yeah, look at that. You can see the side of Wembley Park. I've never seen that stadium from that angle before. It's crazy. So what we'll do, get a shot of this area down there. Let's get a shot from this area. Just got onto here. What's in this area down there? Let's get a tour of this area down there. Look at the solar panels in this roof. Look at that. Amazing little shot. Solar panels. It's like a little building. Let's get a close-up shot of the solar panels on top. Yep, drone's in shot. Getting shots of this. This drone flight's completely solar powered, by the way. So, completely solar powered drone flight. Just the same in Stepney Green. When I flew in Stepney Green, that was a solar panelled. That was a solar charged drone flight as well. Look at that, we've got the Metropolitan line running through here. I think that's the main part of Dollis Hill. Get a shot of this area. Wind's blowing a little too hard. What we'll do, let's get a shot of this area down there. Let's get a shot of this crane area. I don't know if the crane's active at the moment, but if it is active at the moment, we're going to stay far from it anyway. Imagine the drone moves, imagine the crane moves towards the drone. Every time I fly towards cranes, I always keep distance from the crane. But I want close enough to get a nice shot of it. Go around. Look at that, that's sick. That's a sick shot. That is amazing. Insanity, look at that. Unrivaled shots. So, nice and quiet in this area. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. Not much people around. Just in a nice open field in the London Borough of Brent. Suburban area. There's a lot of green places here. And that's the Jubilee line, I believe. Yeah, it is the Jubilee line. Or was it the Metropolitan line? Yep, that's the Jubilee line. That runs past there. Let's go to this area. And I think that's the Dollis Hill station. Let's go towards the station, Dollis Hill. Look at that. Amazing shot of sunny Dollis Hill. Look at that. See the train doors open in a minute? No, it's not going to open on that side. If we go to the other side, we'll see it open. But there's no point now. Let's go towards this area down there. Get a shot of this area. Look at that. Get a nice sunny shot of Dollis Hill. NW. Actually, when I walked past here, it's actually split between two postcodes. This side's NW2, and where I'm flying from is NW10. Oh, I moved a little bit too excessively. I was a bit erratic. I can hear an ice cream van. Let's chase it. I can hear where it's coming from, so let's fly towards that area. I guess finding that van would be like finding a needle in a haystack, because I can hear the area it's coming from, but I don't know the exact road that it's on. Plus, I'm looking at a small screen, so even if I'm looking at it, I won't know. And I think it's this van right here, in the centre. That might be the ice cream van. It's completely white, so I believe that's not it. We haven't gone down this area. Let's go down this area. Or have we been there? I think we've been here. We've been here. Let's go down here. We haven't been here before. This area is like a Windows XP wallpaper. Speaking of Windows XP wallpaper, I was cycling down a path and I found a Windows XP wallpaper kind of photo, and I took a photo of it. I had my camera with me. Let's go to this side of the park of Dollis Hill. Duddon Hill. Look at that. I want to go to this side. Let's go to this side quickly. Look at a nice little neighbourhood in this area. Battery's running low. It's going to land drone in a minute. Look at this area. Let's go towards this area down there. What is this area? Get a quick shot. That's why it's called Dollis Hill. Look at that. Alright. Towards this area. We're going to land it in a second. Look at that. We're literally on the hill. Look at that. Amazing. Let's go down towards this area. I'm going to land it down there. Let's get a nice shot quickly of this area down there. Nice little bridge. Where I took off from was that bridge, as you saw in the area. You know, it's trippy. When you go towards the grassy area, like it looks like we're like, look, I keep going down, yeah? When you go towards the grassy area, it looks like we're already near the floor. I've noticed that when I watch my footage. It looks like we're near the ground already, but then we've still got more inwards. So like, even when I'm like 50 feet up, it looks like we're like already landed almost, because the grass just looks the same. But then it gets bigger and bigger. It's like so trippy. Anyway, I'm gonna end this drone flight now of me flying in the London Borough of Brent in Northwest London, in Dollis Hill in Northwest London. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Dad.